Alright, so I already primed my face with my moisturizer. So we'll be reviewing the new alright guys, so I just finished rest of my makeup.
Okay. What about we just kick you out?
What about I kick you both out? Okay, so see, my beach friend is looking to me. Oh, it's crazy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is me, Kashfia, and you are always welcome in my channel. So this is a review video and also first impression on this new Revulsion Conceal and Hydrate Foundation, Concealer, and also the loose setting powder. So this is what we'll be doing today, and I'll tell you guys my thought and how I feel and all the other good stuff about this three. If you're interested to know my opinion, then keep on watching. Guys, I already moisturized my face with my moisturizer, and I also primed my face with this Revulsion Hydrate primer. I haven't used it before, so this is my first time using it, but I think it's good. It really hydrates my face. I have a dry skin, so I always like something hydrating. Alright, so what you need to know about the foundation is this is how the packaging look like, and this one have hyaluronic acid to provide plumping effect to skin and create a smoother satin glow finish. Medium to full buildable coverage, radiant natural finish, vegan and cruelty free. And this foundation comes in 50 shade, which is great for drugstore foundation, and this one also cost only £9, which is amazing because it claims to do a lot of things and it have 50 shades, so it's a great deal. And this time they have a pump, which is also good, though I didn't mind the big dope like the last time, but who don't like pumps? So alright, so one side I will be using a sponge and one side I will be using a brush. So I'm just going to take a pump, and oh, I'm in the shade F12, same like Conceal and Define foundation, so I haven't changed. Okay, this one, I feel like it's a bit pinkish. That's weird because the Conceal and Define foundation F12 shade really suits me the best. This one is a little bit pinkish. Alright, so I think for one side I took a lot. I had to take half pump, not full, because little goes a long way. Alright, the foundation is super blendable, and this is not matte by any means. It have like satin finish to it, like a little bit glow, if you can see it. Alright, so other side I'll be using just a brush, and I'm also using one pump. Even with the brush, it's blending really nicely. Yeah, when I look up close, I guess I like the beauty sponge more than brush, just because I feel it is more flawless. But this is obvious, always the beauty sponge do that, and I'm gonna see if it is blendable, so I'll be just taking a little bit more to my beauty sponge and going another time. Alright, it is buildable, of course, but it is not like medium to full coverage. Even if it's buildable, it is like more to medium to semi-full. You know what I mean? So, yeah. But I think I like after the second time more, though it look a little bit heavy already near my nose and near my mouth. Okay, same goes to this side. I'll be using another time, and I'm just using the beauty sponge, because I already told you how I feel about the brush, so nothing to say more. Alright, so everything is blended now, and looking to my skin, I see it really look plump and hydrated, and it look radiant, natural. I love it. I love the coverage too, though I like full coverage, but I love this coverage. Like, nothing wrong with it. Everything is great. Now about the concealer, and this is supposed to be medium to full coverage, and this one also, I'm in the shade C12. Same goes for Conceal and Define concealer, same. So this one cost £7 if I'm not wrong. So I actually really like the Conceal and Define Concealer. This is one of my favorite concealer out there. So I hope I will like this as much as I like that. Oops, that's a lot. Right, I think I will go above of my eyes too. Alright, I'm just using my beauty sponge, not this side, I should go for this. I will be never using a brush for blending my concealer. I hate it because my under eye creases a lot, like lot. So if I use a brush, I will have the bad day of makeup. So I will always go with the beauty sponge. Right, the concealer also super blendable, and I love the coverage, almost like full coverage, and it looks really great. Alright, so about the concealer, I guess I love it as much I love the Conceal and Define one, because the coverage is really nice and it is blendable, it's not creasing under my eyes, and my under eye look great. Alright, now I'll be setting my under eye with this setting powder, and this one in the shade light yellow. So let me, oh, that's messy. I actually opened it before because they had a tip in here, so I opened that, but now it's super messy, you can see. So messy, but it's okay. I'm also going to sit near this place. Alright. I think everything is looking great. Oh my god, no really. Like, because I'm looking my mirror that is far here, but when I see up close, my under eye starts creasing. Even above of my nose, it looked really heavy, and it all happened after I start using this powder. Oh my god, I hate this one already. My under eye, you can see or no, I don't know, but it is really creasing right here. I don't think I love it, but I don't know. Anyway, I'll see how it goes throughout the day. So I'll finish rest of my face and I'll write back. Alright guys, so I just did rest of my makeup and I'm back. Alright, so about the foundation and concealer, I really love the foundation and also the concealer, besides the fact that I didn't like this powder. Like, when I use the powder under my eye, it's already start creasing. Like, it is creasing so bad. I don't know if you can see it or no. Also my lid, also this place near my lips, like all the places I use this powder, it look heavy and cakey. I didn't really like the powder, but other place look really great. So the foundation is nice, it's natural, it's not heavy in your skin. I love it. It is really hydrating, and also the concealer, the coverage of the concealer is amazing. It is medium to full, as I said already, but the powder, no, maybe. So I just zoomed in a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see, it is creasing right here and also here. I don't really have too much pore, but it is still sticking in my pore right here and near my lip. It looks so heavy and I don't like that. So that's all, and if you guys are wondering that why my face looks pretty glittery, because I just did my nail, which is a glitter nail, and it's going everywhere literally. So I look shiny in some places just because of the glitter. Alright guys, so that's all for this video. I'm not really sure that I'll be able to do a wear test or no, because I have a lot of things to do after this video, but I will try. If I cannot, I'll maybe update you guys in my Instagram, or anyhow maybe in my next video, but I'll update you guys if I'm not able to do a wear test. Alright, so yeah, that's all for this video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming video. And I'll see you in my